Hey, are you going to school?
Of course. Big boy goes to school.
You going to school? Tell me about it. Tell me about it. Are you really that excited? Are you excited? Teacher's gonna say way too early in the morning for this. Okay. Say mama. Say mama.